right, I'm back. You get to listen to me talk some more. So here we go, chassis mounted anti-roll bar kit, parts and pieces that come with it. I originally offered this thing with flat tabs and flat chassis mounting tabs. I'm going to simplify it and just send round tabs. So a tab that'll fit on 1 5/8" tube and a tab that'll fit on a housing. You can always take the tab and chop the bottom off. This is a weld-on kit, so I assume everybody has the ability to do some cutting and grinding here. So same thing with these. These fit perfect on 1 5/8. Bolt pattern matches up there. So if you end up wanting to do a flat frame rail, just cut off wheel, just cut that guy off right there, right? And a little bit of trimming, you can make that a little bigger if you wanted to as well. So 4 of those tabs, all 3/16 mild steel, housing mounted tabs, 1/8 inch, 3/8 hole. You're gonna get some 1.5 inch long bolts here, washers, nylocks for chromoly rod ends, have the nice insert in them, 3/8, nice Merzier weld bungs. It's just really nice stuff. So anti-roll bar arms, 100% machined, 1.5 inch. They're 6 3/8 on center. I have that information on the website. Anti-roll bar bushing housings, 6061. I do these bushings on the lathe now, so the fit up is quite fantastic. Just goes right on there. The end of the tube has a little burr on it, so. But yeah, so 2 of these bushing housings, the proper mounting bolts, washers, nuts, 2 arms, all the pieces. This is it. This is the ready to go chassis mounted kit. All right, so just a little design tip on here. So I originally engineered this thing with the idea that the bushing and the housing on the outside and the arms to the inside. This way you can still service the bushing. The thought is get this arm within the weld gap. So say 3/16 of an inch, depending on what type of welding process you're gonna use. You're gonna have a little gap there for the weld. I do put a little chamfer in the end of the bushing housing, but it's not a great big one. So be mindful of how much weld you end up putting here. Obviously you can still grind on that and kind of set that up. There's a little bit of, these run a little bit big to make it so in case the tubing doesn't run perfect, that we've got a little bit of space there. If you end up in a situation where the arm needs to be here and the bushing housing needs to be here, I also have a washer that I can send you. Just ask about it, a washer that would then weld to the tube and press up against here. The other option is these tabs. I have in fact made this tab as well. I should get a picture of it. That instead of putting this guy on the back, it covers this up. It goes all the way around the back side of it. So that makes it so the bar can't slide out. So it'd be trapped on both ends. So there you go, there's a little bit of review.